Hey guys, and welcome back to another Minecraft video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make yourself a nausea potion. Now, I know a lot of people are like, oh, there's no way to get this potion, it's not even added into the game. Now I know what you mean. I tried doing it and it just said uncraftable potion with a weird thingy on it. Time, set, day, boom. Okay, so yeah guys, so this potion, oh, my dog just is in the room. Hiya buddy, what are you doing? I think Sammy wants to join the video today, guys. Let me know, guys, if you want Sammy to be in more videos. I barely do any videos on him, and he's like, what, 3 years old now? Man, so cute. Okay. I think he just wants to join in with the video. Oi! What are you doing sniffing around? Okay, sorry about that, guys. But anyway. Okay, guys, have you ever dogs just been laying on the floor and being like smacking their own face? Okay, but anyway, guys, as you can see, the color's kind of weird, kind of like a purple. And you'll see the particle effects is also purple. Now, this one will only go on for infinite time, and that's only because it's not finished, and probably one of the reasons why it wasn't in the game. You just need to use milk to get rid of it. But anyway, guys, I'll show you how to get this potion nausea, and it requires commands. So you can't get this in survival unless you have cheats on. So yeah, I'll show you guys how you can get the blindness potion as well in the next one. So I'll give you guys the command for it. Okay guys, so this is the command, obviously, as you can see, potion of nausea right here. And by the way, guys, you might see some videos they're like, oh, you need world edit to only do it, or oh, this is impossible to get, it's not in the game. Well, you know, as you can see, like, it says potion of nausea, and when we get it, you'll guys see that it will work. Now this is only for 1.15, so yeah. So as you can see, guys, there is an actual ID for it. See, ID 9. Let's just get the potion. Potion of nausea. There we go. Let's drink it so you guys know it's real. Nausea. Nausea. And nausea again. And nausea again. And nausea again. Okay, let's stop that. Okay, let's get rid of these bones. I don't know why I have them in my inventory. So once again, just use milk to clear the effect. You do this with every other command as well. So as you guys can see, these potions, I'll show you how to get the blindness potion in the next one. So yeah, potion of nausea. Wait. So you can use it to show your friends, and you can like just prank them and be like, hey, you think there's no way to get a nausea potion in Minecraft? Well, there is. So yeah, it's cool how they're still in the game, even though they were planning to take out. And yeah, the only other way to get this in survival is by eating a puffer fish, and you only get it sometimes. See, I got nausea right there. But if you don't want to do it, because also you get poison and hunger, and those are horrible to get in survival, when nausea doesn't like kill you or anything. So yeah, but to get the potion, you just need potion of nausea. Oh yeah, it's because we still have that. I'll show you guys how you can get like the Elder Guardian jump scared as well. So yeah, stay tuned for that. But anyway, guys, I hope you have a good day today. And I hope you don't get sick and keep on drinking this potion, because nausea obviously means sick. And yeah, this potion is basically very basic, but it's actually very cool. After you use it for a while, you can use it in like servers as well, like maps. I like using them in horror maps to make it look like a ghost trying to possess you. And speaking of maps, I'm making a map right now. It's called Supercraft, and this is that one is also for 1.15, and I'll try and make it for 1.16 when that one comes out, because I think 1.60 is only like 2 weeks away. So yeah, stay tuned for that map. I might share it with everyone in my world. I'm first going to share it with my friends. But okay, goodbye guys. Bye.